I was just scrolling through TikTok when I stumbled on something wild, a totally new niche that was blowing up. The video had over 8.9 million views. I thought, that's insane. But what about the competition? So I did a quick research, and boom, only 3 creators were consistently posting in this space. That's when it hit me. This might be one of the easiest niche to grow in right now. And guess what? One of those creators is making $400 per video. But here's the problem. Most people struggle with using multiple AI tools. So I found a smarter way to create these viral AI hybrid animal videos using just one AI tool. All you need are powerful prompts. And don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to get those too. So watch this video till the end. Welcome to AI Upskill. Here's a quick preview of what we'll be creating today. Let me quickly explain how we're going to do this. First, we'll use ChatGPT to generate a unique name for our channel. Then, we'll use an AI tool to create our channel logo. After that, we'll use ChatGPT and my secret prompt document to generate insane ideas. And finally, we'll use an AI tool to create a complete video. Sounds easy, right? Trust me, it is. Now, let's get into the video. First things first, let's create a channel name. Instead of spending hours trying to come up with something unique, we'll use ChatGPT. I've created a prompt document that makes this super easy. You can access it from the description. Simply copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT. I'm instructing ChatGPT to act like a YouTube analyst, analyze competitor channels, and suggest 15 unique names based on the given details. And in seconds, ChatGPT generates 15 unique channel names that actually sound like real brands. Simply choose the one you like. Now that we have a name, let's create a channel logo. If you've ever used AI for image generation, you've probably heard of Leonardo AI. It's hands down one of the best tools out there. Once you're on the Leonardo AI dashboard, click on the image generation. Before making this video, I tried generating a couple of images, and they turned out pretty cool. Now, copy and paste the positive prompt from my prompt document into this box. Just add your channel name that you've selected from ChatGPT. Click on Model and choose Flux Dev. Also, make sure the aspect ratio is 1:1, and simply click Generate. Let's fast forward a bit. And boom, your brand new logo is ready. Select the one you like. Alright, now comes the exciting part. In this niche, there are 3 main video types that are trending like crazy. First, you have the animal with fruit fusion. Second, animal with crystal fusion. And third, and the most popular, 2 animals fusion. So, to create prompts for all those types, we'll use ChatGPT. I will use another pro-level prompt from my document. You can even change the number of ideas to create longer videos. And just like that, it instantly gives me 3 unique ideas with brilliant prompts. Now, here's where the real magic happens. It's time to take these prompts and transform them into actual videos using a single AI tool. But before that, quick reminder, 95% of you watching haven't subscribed yet. If you're into AI tools that actually save time and make money, do hit that like button and subscribe. Introducing Magic Hour, an AI tool that offers text-to-image, text-to-video, video-to-video, and a bunch of other AI features. So, head over to this tool from the description of this video and sign in with your Google account. After signing in, you will be brought to this dashboard. Click on the AI image generator feature. Copy the Animal Crystal Fusion prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Magic Hour. From below, select an art style from a wide range of options. For now, I'll go with general style. Next, select the aspect ratio for your video. As of now, I'll choose 9:16. Finally, select the number of images you want to generate. So, once everything is set, click Generate, and wow, these results look incredible. Choose the most realistic one and download it. Now, copy the second image prompt and paste it into Magic Hour. Click the Generate button. And in seconds, we've got high-quality images of the fusion animal we imagined. Simply download the image you like. Repeat the same process for the remaining animal fruit fusion and 2 animals fusion ideas. To clear the process, you'll have to create 2 images for each idea using the above image prompts. The last prompt will be used to animate our images. So, once you're done, simply arrange your images in a folder, as I did. Alright, let us now animate those images. Click on the Create New button and select the Image to Video feature. Simply upload your generated fusion image. Copy and paste the video prompt from ChatGPT. One of the standout features of Magic Hour AI is its ability to generate videos up to 1 minute long. However, as of now, I'll go with 6 seconds only. Next, select the video mode. I'll go with studio mode for a more polished result. Finally, hit render video. Magic Hour will start the video generation. So, in the meantime, let's generate more animations. Just like before, upload one of your Fusion images. Copy and paste the corresponding video prompt from ChatGPT. Choose your required duration, and hit render video. Repeat this process for all the Fusion images. I'd recommend you all to animate your initial images as well to make your video more engaging. You can access your generation process in the My Videos section. So, let us skip the rendering process. And as you can see, our videos are ready. You can view a preview as well. It looks incredible, right? Simply download all the generated clips and arrange them in a folder, as I have. Now comes the easiest and most crucial part, the editing. Simply use trending audios. You can find those while scrolling through social media. Let me show you a quick breakdown of my editing project. Import your video folder in CapCut. First, add your audio to the timeline. Then, add your first video clip. I have fast-forwarded and even trimmed the clips. The editing is all about aligning your clips with the trending music you used. Just like that, add your remaining AI-generated clips and edit them. If you need any help, simply drop a comment down below. So, once you're done, simply export the video by clicking here. Now you're probably wondering, is all this free? Well, yes and no. You'll receive 500 free credits when you sign up using the description link. Magic Hour provides 90% of its tools for free, allowing you to experiment with no commitments. But to use the image-to-video feature, you'll need to upgrade. So, if you want to genuinely make money from your YouTube channel and want a wide range of features, then it's worth considering their subscription plans. And just like that, we've created AI hybrid animal video in minutes. This niche is fresh, untapped, and insanely profitable if you move fast. And you now have the tools, the prompts, and an entire process to start a channel that could blow up in 2025. So don't wait, check out Magic Hour using the link given below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Upskill. My goal is to deliver you with the best and most latest AI tools. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited to try, and I will see you in the next video.